Hello everyone, I am Ravina. I am going to present on a liver disease called cirrhosis. What is cirrhosis? Cirrhosis is the final stage of liver disease which is caused by scarring of liver. This disease can be cancerous and non-cancerous. It can be life-threatening. Liver is the largest organ of human body which filters toxin from blood, produce digestive enzyme, accumulates sugar and nutrients, and helps to fight against infection. In this picture, we can see that how healthy liver converts into cirrhosis liver. This picture shows us how normal liver looks like and how cirrhosis liver looks like. Now the symptoms of cirrhosis. Symptoms of cirrhosis are fatigue, loss of appetite, weakness, itching, jaundice, easy bruising. These are the common symptoms of cirrhosis. There are two stages of cirrhosis, compensated and decompensated. In compensated, liver is scarred but still works properly because it does not show any symptom and sign. But in decompensated, cirrhosis shows the symptoms and signs of disease which include liver cancer, liver dysfunction, and complications of portal hypertension. In this picture, we can see that there are two stages comes under compensated cirrhosis and two comes under decompensated cirrhosis. In stage 1, no varices and no ascites occur and the death rate is 1% per year. Whereas in stage 2, varices occur but no ascites, the death rate per year is 3%. Now in decompensated cirrhosis, stage 3 and stage 4 occurs and ascites and varices occurs in stage 3 where the death rate is 20% and stage 4 is the last stage where liver bleeds and ascite occurs. The death rate is too high of 57%. Now hepatitis B. Hepatitis B is the leading cause of cirrhosis liver cancer in the world. It can be reactivated in the patient who were previously exposed to this virus receiving immunosuppressive agent and is characterized by rise in serum HBV DNA and ALT elevation. The delayed in recognition of reactivation can lead to clinical consequences including liver failure and death, and antiviral treatments are beneficial for its prevention. Hepatitis C. It is the leading cause of liver cancer and cirrhosis. It can cause inflammation and liver damage slowly. Liver biopsy is the only way to know whether the person is infected with hepatitis C virus or not. The person infected with this virus should avoid alcohol consumption. Amoxicillin, acetaminophen, and pain relievers are recommended to avoid hepatitis C virus. Fatty liver disease. It can be alcoholic and non-alcoholic liver disease. It is major and independent risk factor determining morbidity and mortality in patients including cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. The diagnosis of fatty liver disease include blood test, abdominal ultrasound, and liver biopsy. Therapy and the prevention also depends on the change of patient's lifestyle and the education. Liver biopsy is an important tool in establishing a diagnosis in patient with fatty liver disease. Conclusion. Cirrhosis is a liver disease which is caused by scarring of the liver. This disease can be cancerous and non-cancerous. Some types of this disease does not show any symbol of its existence, but others do, which are also life-threatening. Alcohols and hepatitis are the main cause of this disease throughout world. Fatty liver disease are also life-threatening, which have its subtype non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and alcoholic fatty liver disease. Cirrhosis can be treated by liver transplantation. Thank you.